Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. I am here Monday through Friday with videos out before the opening bell, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check the description down below for links to our mobile app, where you can stay up to date with all the latest analyst ratings, market news, and manage your smart portfolio on the go. This morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, this morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as notable earnings reports. So here we go, starting off with stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ futures are all up about 0.25%. News, sports, and entertainment company Fox Corporation has agreed to acquire digital media platform Outkick Media. Outkick provides content on sports, opinion, politics, and pop culture via radio, podcasts, online, and social media. The platform also provides sports betting information in the U.S. and has an exclusive marketing partnership with Fox partner FanDuel, which acts as a funnel for sport betting leads. Upon acquisition, Outkick will operate as an independent brand. Fox will distribute Outkick content across its current platforms. The Fox stock currently comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 10.5%. Multiple price targets reiterated yesterday, ranging between 3.8 to 33% growth potential. NIO is expanding its footprint into Norway, its first overseas destination away from China. The company intends to establish a robust ecosystem in the country comprising of cars, services, and digital experiences. It also plans to build its lifestyle brand and community. As part of the expansion, ES8, the company's flagship electric SUV, is to make its much-awaited debut in the European nation. Plans are also underway to introduce the ET7 smart electric flagship sedan in 2022. NIO plans to set up its charging and swapping system in Norway as part of a broader plan. The company should have battery swap stations connecting 5 major cities and freeways by the end of next year. The NIO stock currently comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 63%. Nikola has signed a letter of intent with Total Transportation Services Incorporated, or TTSI. The two are joining forces to accelerate the use of zero-emission trucks at the Port of Los Angeles and Long Beach. The collaboration will result in the trials of the Nikola Tre BEV as an alternative mode of transportation at the port. TTSI could end up acquiring 100 Nikola Class 8 battery electric vehicles. The port trucking company has also shown intent in acquiring fuel cell electric vehicle semi-trucks. While the letter of intent is for 100 zero-emission trucks, TTSI will begin with a 4-truck pilot early next year. The Nikola stock does currently come in as a hold. The average price target would be a 99% upside potential. Wireless and wired products and services provider Qorvo has acquired Next Input. The latter provides force sensing solutions for human-machine interface in diverse markets such as mobile, true wireless stereo, consumer, automotive, Internet of Things, robotics, medical, and industrial. The transaction enhances Qorvo's product portfolio and helps it in speeding up offerings of force sensing solutions that make use of micro-electromechanical system-based sensors. The Qorvo stock does currently come in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of 16%. Now let's take a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer this morning, and that is Assertio Therapeutics. Under the ticker ASRT, they're currently up 36%, followed by iBio under the ticker IBIO, currently up 32%, and Acasti Pharma under ACST, currently up 18%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by ChemoCentryx. Under the ticker CCXI, they're currently down 46%, followed by Orphazyme under ORPH, currently down 24%, and Aurinia Pharmaceuticals under AUPH, currently down 16%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Starting off with Moderna, who had better than expected first quarter earnings and their first profitable quarter in history. Meanwhile, revenues for the quarter missed analyst expectations, causing the shares to take a bit of a dip yesterday. The company recorded earnings of $2.84 per share in the first quarter, when analysts were expecting earnings per share of $2.39. This was compared to the loss of 35 cents recorded in the prior year quarter. Their total revenue of $1.94 billion missed analyst expectations of $2.04 billion. Additionally, Moderna revealed that it has won another order for the supply of 7 million doses of its booster vaccine in 2022 to the Swiss federal government. Furthermore, the agreement's terms had the option of an additional 7 million doses to be delivered during the second half of 2022. Notably, the purchase under this deal await regulatory approval. Moderna currently comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 8.5%. Price targets from yesterday and today range between 20 to 43% upside. AMC Entertainment reported a worse than feared loss in their first quarter. Total revenues also missed analyst expectations. However, shares of the largest U.S. movie theater company gained more than 2% in the pre-market session. AMC incurred an adjusted loss of $1.42 per share in the first quarter, compared to the $1.30 loss per share estimated by analysts. The company reported a loss of $2.22 per share in the same quarter last year. Total adjusted revenues generated in the quarter amounted to $147.4 million versus the consensus estimate of $153 million. The AMC Entertainment stock comes in as a hold with a downside potential of about 29%. Coming in ahead of analyst expectations with their first quarter results was Square, who posted total net revenues of $5.06 billion in the first quarter, a jump of 266% year over year. Analysts had forecast revenues of $3.3 billion. Square reported adjusted net income of 41 cents per share, topping the analyst estimates of just 17 cents per share. The company's investment in Bitcoin has paid off handsomely, as Bitcoin revenues made up 69% of total revenues in their first quarter. Square has invested $220 million in Bitcoin so far. Their stock currently comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 27%. And lastly, we heard from Roku, whose shares were up after also beating analyst expectations. The company reported a profit of 54 cents per share when analysts were expecting a loss of 13 cents per share. This was versus a loss of 45 cents in the same quarter last year. The digital media player company posted revenues of $574.2 million in the first quarter, up 79% year over year, and topping consensus estimates of $492 million. The Roku stock currently comes in as a strong buy, with an average upside potential of 64%. This morning, we'll also be hearing earnings reports from DraftKings, Nikola, and MoneyGram International, with the after hours being fairly quiet. So that is everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed before the opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and we will see you back here next time.